My name is Matthew Kennedy. I am here from the Culinary Arts class from the Great Altoona Career and Technology Center. I've been here for 4 years and I attend Altoona High School. So what really interested me was I came to an open house my 8th grade year going into my 9th grade year. It just seemed like a really great fit for me. It's been my 4th year here and I absolutely love it. So in this class you learn a wide span of different things, everything from deep frying, sauteing, a little bit of baking and pastries over here in the culinary side, to the more advanced things like broiling, grilling, the flat top griddle. We do it all over here. So to excel in this program here, you need to have good attendance, be here every day. You're here for like 2.5 hours a day, so attendance is very important. You need to have a good work ethic. You need to show up with a willingness to learn. Even though you come to the GACTC, you have all the opportunity to do any after-school activities, any extracurriculars you want. Coming here to the GACTC, and specifically the Culinary Arts class, you earn a lot of different certifications and you come out of here with a lot of knowledge about this field. We have a lot of different tools back in the kitchen, a lot of different kinds of equipment. All of them are brand new. We try to keep up to date on all that, so you're learning on the best equipment there is out there. We have a wide range from a grill, we have 3 deep fryers, we have a flat top griddle, we have dozens and dozens of skillets and saucepans for you to learn on. So you learn all the different equipment here that you would see out in the field. So my favorite thing about this culinary program is we make a lot of great food here, and of course you gotta try the food, so you get to eat almost everything you make here. Some of it we do sell, but you try every dish you make.